Number 1. Get a website audit. If your website isn't performing as you'd hoped it would be, then something's clearly wrong, whether that be the website or your expectations of it. You'll never know until you check, so get your website audited as soon as possible. You'll find a range of audits on the market, from simple website reviews to full-blown technical audits. Free audits provide a summary of what's wrong with your website. They tend to outline errors with technical SEO and focus on basics such as page speed, mobile friendliness, and security. Paid audits vary dramatically in pricing and focus, and they can look at everything or just one specific part of your marketing. Be sure you're clear about what sort of information you'll be getting when you commission a paid audit. The end result should be a clear set of instructions of what issues your website faces and which steps should be taken to fix those issues. It should include technical, on-page, organic, links, paid and social media summaries. Peak District SEO offer both free and paid audits.